Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Sweet and Savory Kitchen. Today I will be making pizzas. Schools are starting, so I want to get started with the lunches. It makes it easier when you have pizzas ready to go. So I have already made the dough, and I will have the recipe in the description box. So I'm just waiting a few minutes, and then we're gonna roll it out, and then I'll show you the next steps. So I have here corn flour. I dusted the pan, and then I'm going to take the dough and I'm going to just flatten it out. You can use a rolling pin if you like, but I like to use my hands. Just this is about a medium size. I end up rolling it, and now I've used this and I've scored it so it doesn't have bubbles in the middle. But because I'm going to freeze it, I'm going to cook it for maybe 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes of baking, this is what it's going to look like. It is cooked. I'm just waiting for it to cool. Then we're gonna top it with a sauce and cheese. And then so now they have cooled down, and a total of 6 pizzas. They're ready for sauce and cheese, and then we're gonna place them in the freezer. So now I have added my cheeses. At this point, you can add your vegetables, whichever one you like. And I might end up putting more cheese in after when I've baked them. But this is good enough for now. And these are ready to be wrapped and placed in the freezer until you're ready to use it. And it'll be really fast. You cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes and it'll be ready to eat. So the pizzas are wrapped. I have 2 on top of each other, and they are ready for the oven. Ready for the freezer, sorry. So I took this pizza out of the freezer. It is frozen, and now I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees for maybe 15 minutes. So here you have it, you guys. Look at that. Nice and golden. The bottom is well cooked, and it is from frozen. We made it fresh, we froze it, and now it's baked. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye.